So I just wanted to come on here to show you proof that I was able to complete the challenge and grow this account by 10% in just 12 days trading NASDAQ alone, or most of the time. So you can see it took me just 12 days. That's about 3 weeks. Remember, trading days Mondays to Fridays alone, no weekends, because I'm trading indices. I'm trading an index fund called NASDAQ, NAS100, all the top 100 companies, mostly tech companies like Nvidia and all of the likes. Trading NASDAQ for those days, and this is just proof. I'm taking you on my trading journey for accountability purposes. You can look at the dates at the bottom of the screen right now. That's the 12th of February 2025. Funded the account with 100k demo account, 100k, and this is how the journey went. Like that, gradually made some losses here and there because it's part of trading. Risk disclaimer: past performance does not guarantee future results, right? Trading is very risky. Make sure you trade your funds that you're willing to lose. So this is how it went. I traded gold sometimes, right? I had some losses here and there. It's not always rosy, but when your profits outweigh your losses, that's when you become profitable. So this is proof that trading NASDAQ using the Liberty strategy that I learned from the private mentorship works, and I was able to do it in a record time of 12 days. Now, this result is not typical. It might vary for you, but it's to show you that it's possible. If you come along with this journey to learn, you can see I've surpassed the 10%. So if this were to be a challenge account, I would have passed phase 1. So this is just a demo account I was using to perfect the skill, to perfect the trading skill I'm learning from the private mentorship, which you can also do that. If you're interested in learning also with me on this journey, just send a DM and you would get started. So my next challenge is to trade on a challenge account this time around and do the same thing. Someone saw my results because I was giving a daily accountability in my previous videos, and he said, oh, my account is drawn down from 100k, the challenge account drawn down by like 3%, and he wants to get it to 10% up. So it's about 97k right now. I'll show you in my next video, so stick around. Starting today is the 28th of April 2025. I was able to hit this 10% goal yesterday, the 27th of April, on this demo account. So I want to start trading the challenge account, same 100k amount, but it's drawn down by 3%, and I want to get it to 10%, trading NASDAQ alone using the Liberty strategy. So come along with me, watch my next video. Make sure you subscribe if you are not subscribed and following yet, and you can also join me on this trading journey. Anybody can do it. It's really achievable. Cheers, and I'll see you later today.